Alright everybody, so here today because my garage is a mess and it's small and I need a place to put everything. So start that with building some overhead storage. The first thing we're going to do is measure what we need to store, make sure that we have it low enough, and also make sure it's not going to hit you when you walk underneath it. So measure some of the things that I'm going to be storing. The biggest thing is a little over 18 inches, so I'm going to make the legs 20 inches. So I have some 24 by 48 attic flooring, but I'll go ahead and use that as I have 3 of them. I'm going to put them all next to each other. They're all going to get their own stud and 4 posts. We'll go from there. Okay, now I'm going to attach these brackets to each one of the legs we just made, and then we're going to find where all the studs are in the ceiling. So we got it all measured up, marked on the ceiling, so now I'm going to start attaching the legs that the base is going to go on. So Stud Finder lied, or I just don't know how to use it anymore. They were not where I marked or where it said it was, so I found some new ones, so I'm going to be drilling those ones in and we'll go from there. So it just moved a little bit. Alright, so not too bad. Hard to get it lined up. Studs were not quite where I expected them to be. But strong enough to hold me, and it's not going to hold nearly that much, probably over the entire thing. So I think it's good. Should provide some good storage and get my garage cleaned up.